My name is Gabriel Akwu, and I'm a mining engineer. I consult mainly for artisanal miners. You can see we're on a site here around somewhere in Nasarawa. I'm trying to see what they are doing with their crude method, helping them with some little technical inputs, knowing fully well that these people don't really have machinery to do the work as she should. But again, they are in business because they want to make profit. So we come around to see different mines around Nasarawa and the FCT, mainly mines that are producing lithium ore, lepidolite, spodumene, morganite, and what have you. Any of the ore that is producing lithium, there is a lithium ore content. So we go around, work with them, and help them to see how they can minimize or maximize their energy, their efforts for better yield. So that's just what we are doing. You can see us inspecting one of the sites, and this site is massive because the vein, you don't even need to, you are seeing the vein is so visible, and as you follow the vein even down to where you can't see it, you know the vein is there. These are some of the samples like they've gotten. This is one of the pits they are trying to excavate, and you see they use their crude method of drilling, using jackhammer to drill, and they detonate. They do most of these things themselves. They have their explosive and what. So we're just advising them on ways to get this done better. That's what we are doing. You can see how visible the thickness of this vein. You can see the thickness of the vein, and the materials coming out of this vein is so impressive. Like it's so very impressive. Like you got to see from the surface, we're beginning to see about 2%, and as they go down below 3 to 4 feet, is increasing to about 3 to 4%. So there's so much potentials on this site, and we have spoken with them, and I hope they will take our advice. At least the efforts they will put in will be maximized for better yield. You know, the mine is not complete until you get your product out and sell at profit. So that's when you now say you are mining. So part of our consultation here is to help them take whatsoever they are mining from this site. So we have buyers that comes from all over the world, you know, come to Nasarawa to buy this, and we want them to make profit. We want our buyers also to go and have better yield in their lithium processing, and we want our miners to be smiling to the bank with minimum
to see gems,
risk, minimum mine hazards, you know. So that's what we are doing here. You can see parts of the material they've sorted. We are picking samples now. We are picking samples to go and do
I will need some reasonable amount of
analysis. We need to know exactly at this level what is the actual percentage of lithium that can be gotten from this surface. Let me call this the surface material they've excavated. And as I've said, the potential here is huge. You can see the thickness, and that thickness runs straight down into the earth crust. You get so that's just what we have here, and if you want product from here, or you are looking for lithium ore, feel free in the comment section. Please drop your comment. You want a phone, just drop your WhatsApp number. We can send you more information, and we can do business. So that's just what we're doing here. So while we're there, you can see they are preparing for blast. So we have to give some very safe distance away from the mine. So and still, this is still part of. You can see people running off the area to avoid flying rock. So these are some of the technical aspects we are communicating with them. There are procedures to blast on the site. So part of the procedure is what as we come around, we talk with them, so they don't incur loss, like human loss or injury in any form. So you can see the dust is still about settling. So it means whatsoever explosive used there is of high quality. You understand? So that's just what. Then we now move forward to see the effects of the blast. If you can see on the floor, that's the detonating cable. They use, like, so that's the blast area, and it's excavating. See the level of fracture that the explosive has done to the formation there. And you can see my colleague holding almost a very purer spodumene sample compared to what we met earlier. The deeper the mine goes, the purity increases. So if you want to do business, please just link up, chat wherever. We can ship to anywhere around the world. This is straight from the mine. You are not saying this as someone packed there somewhere. Straight from the mine. The quality is assured. The quality is so much assured. And you are thinking of partnership. You are saying this, or you want to bring in industrial machining to this. We have other sites. That nothing has been done. You want to work on this site. We have so many sites around Nasarawa, Abuja, and Kaduna. So just link up and you'll be happy you are doing business with us. As I've said, I'm a mining engineer. I'm trained. I know what it entails. We can advise you better. So whatsoever investment you'll be making, your investment is speaking. Like, you will not run to hit water instead of you hitting spodumene. So that's what we are here to do. We are promoting this video to show you that indeed this material is on ground. This material is mineable. This material, the volume we have, we can't quantify the volume we have around Nasarawa, FCT, and Kaduna. You can see these are pure spodumene. Of course, these are the the topper layer. The percentage lithium here might not be as high as what we have going under, but again, this material from the top is over 2%. So as we are going down, where the percentage lithium is increasing. So you want to do business with us, feel free, contact us, call us, send a WhatsApp, send an email, and we will respond accordingly. You are looking for mine to invest. You are looking for a site to invest. We have so much contact available for you. So thank you so much, and I'll be expecting to hear from you. You can subscribe to this channel and get to hear more about mines, because that's where we'll be focusing henceforth. We'll be talking about mine mining, the miners, the products, you know. So thank you so much.